So guys, Boo Radley here in Jersey. We're snowed in today. For the first time I've been here at Rutgers. For the first fucking time, class is canceled. As you see, it's fucking snowing hardcore. I don't know if the window's allowing. When you see how white it is, that's all snow. If you guys live in the northern hemisphere, but you can see how much it's snowing. It's snowing hardcore. You see that? You see that? Check it out. Right there. The streets were clean at least like 10 minutes ago. And now they're all white. I mean, not clean, because I guess white is clean. I'm going to show you guys my room is. Right here, we have better vision, like an oxymoron of cookies and cream. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not going to understand, man. Go to these homosexuals places over here. Hey guys. Facebook. You see the black person shoveling the snow along with the Mexicans? I'm just recording sound.
Oh, that's fucked up. Why do the black people have to do it, huh?
You know?
Why can't it be me, eh? Eh? Why wasn't that in there, eh?
Anyway, so we're gonna get my bowl of Wheaties, and we're gonna begin our day at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, whatever time it is. But we're snowed in, and you know when you're snowed in, you don't feel like doing shit.